Hello everyone, this is Patty from Deep Space Sparkle, and today we're making a very colorful paper turkey. If you're looking for a quick and easy and colorful fall project for the Thanksgiving season, look no further. This one is perfect because children learn all about symmetry, how to cut and trace and then paste, color selection, and even the color wheel. All you need for this project is your box of paper scraps. Make sure you have a piece of black paper 12 by 9, that'll be your base. Then some glue, scissors, crayons, markers, you name it. It's going to work perfectly for this project. You also might need this handy drawing guide. This will just give kids a general idea of how to draw that symmetrical turkey. Now, if you haven't done it already, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you get notifications every Tuesday when we have a new video for you. To get started with this project, have the children cut out this turkey wing and feather, and that'll be used as a template. There's no need to cut this out. We'll be drawing that freehand. Now, what you're going to need are some papers. Now, I like using black paper because it really makes the turkey stand out, but feel free to use white paper as well. Then, for the feathers, you can use pretty much anything. I'm using some watercolor paper here, and I show you how to make that in a previous video. But also, I have some painted paper, and then plus some regular colored paper, and I happen to have these in rainbow order. Make sure the paper scraps are close by so children can reach into a tray and select their colors. Now, the first thing you're going to do is put aside your background paper. You don't really need it right now. Now, you want to turn your paper over so that you have a piece of paper that is about 8 inches tall. It really doesn't matter how tall you have this paper or how high it is. You just want to be able to draw the turkey body. So I'm taking any color and I'm going to fold the paper over so that the fold is on this side. And I'm going to make a half a circle. And then starting from the side of the circle, I'm going to draw a body. And then from below the body, I'm going to draw those turkey legs. And that's it. So take your scissors and you'll cut out the whole piece. Okay, here's my main part of my turkey. I'm going to put this in the scrap box and continue on. Now I want to make these wings. Now you can use the template if you wish, and you want to find some paper that you like. I'm going to use this watercolor paper, and I think I'm going to fold it in half because I need 2 wings. Now you can use the template or you can just draw this. Draw a dot off to the side and then draw somewhat of a flower shape and then come back to the point. And you want to cut that out. So I have my body, my 2 wings, and now I'm all ready to start the feathers. I'm going to do a rainbow order feather display. So what you'll need are 7 pieces of paper. And children can select these on their own, or you can have them pre-cut for them. Red, yellow, orange, green, blue, indigo, and then violet. Grab your template, take a crayon, trace around the template, and you're ready to start. Now here's a little trick. Double up the paper so you can cut 2 feathers at once. At this point, you can add some decorations to your wings. If you don't have any time, go ahead and add your wings right now, but I'm going to add some decorations. I'm using some crayons, and you want to select a crayon and draw the center line, and then you can make whatever kind of patterns you want. I'm going to keep it really simple and make all of my feathers the very same by using these chevron lines. Now, the trick is to use colors that are opposite or complementary to the paper color. I'm also going to turn my paper over so I don't see the crayon line. So let's try some orange on blue. This really makes the pattern color stand out a lot. This is another way you can teach color theory, the use of complementary colors. I'm going to use red here. Red is the complementary color of green. Now, yellow is the complementary color of purple, but if you don't want to do that, you can always do something that is maybe just a different color. Okay, we're all set to put our turkey together. Grab your wings, grab your feathers, and grab your body. Now the first thing you're going to do is take an oil press towel or a crayon and put your turkey towards the bottom of the paper so his little feet just touch the bottom. Then wherever the head is, make a little dot. Remove the body and then start with the glue. Squeeze a line of glue from the dot all the way to the edge of the paper and back again. And so take the green and place the bottom on the dot and just pat down. Then, starting at the dot, make another line and come back again. That'll be for the red. Start at the dot, make another line towards the edge of the paper. And then finally another one. And that's the yellow. And you can move these around too. That's the benefit of only having one line of glue. Let's do it again for the other side. Okay, and again, you can manipulate these until they're nice and tight or they can be spread out. It's up to you. Now turn your turkey over and add a good amount of glue all the way around the edges. Turn it over and put the head right where the feathers meet. Quickly turn the whole piece over and give a nice smooth pat down with the back of your hands. Okay, we're ready for the finishing touches. So let's put our wings on. And just a few more things. I'll take a Sharpie marker. I'm going to make some turkey eyes and then take any kind of scraps of paper that you may have left over. We're going to make a beak and a wattle. It's kind of like a heart. Glue the wattle down first, off to the side, and then finally the beak. And you have yourself a turkey. For a final press down, turn it over, smooth out the glue and the paper, turn it over, and you're done. Okay, my turkey is all done, and I just love how colorful he is. Now, if you're looking for more Thanksgiving projects, head over to the Deep Space Sparkle shop where you'll find a brand new Thanksgiving bundle. Now, I can't wait to see what you produce and create with your kids, so make sure you join the Deep Space Sparkle Dazzler Facebook group and share your pictures of your colorful fall paper turkey.